So guys, this is the Makita DSS611. I've got that right, haven't I? Yeah, DSS611. And it's a circular saw, battery operated, and it's an absolute beautiful little saw. I mean, I use it all of the time, whether I'm doing roofing, notching out different sections for running cables, cutting panels like I am doing now. These are 15mm OSB panels. And it's just an absolute great all-rounder. So the battery life's pretty good, and one full battery normally lasts me about an hour, and that's constant use. So it's really easy to use, got a lot of power. The blade is extremely thin, so it just absolutely slices through, you know, material super quick and with ease. I have tried a thicker blade on this saw, but it's not good. You know, it takes a lot of battery power, and you find you're running out of battery within 20 minutes. So I normally stick to the Makita blades for this saw. So basically, for all your roughing out work, this is a beautiful little saw to use, especially when you're on site like this. You know, you've got no cables, you can just get the job done. If you need to trim something quickly, you can just pick it up, run up the ladder, trim it, and away you go, you know. So guys, I'm going to continue cutting the OSB and see how long the battery lasts before it runs out. Like I said, this is 15mm OSB. I'm cutting it into strips of 200 for the trim of the roof. So this is a fully charged battery, so let's see how long it lasts cutting through the 15mm OSB. So guys, it's did 12 strips, so that's 12 cuts, and it's still got battery left. It's a bit bright, so it's saying it's got half the battery left. So I think that's pretty amazing. So it's cut two full sheets of OSB into 12 strips. Pretty impressed, guys.